VIVO V3Max, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the settings right here. Then you need to scroll down and select here wallpaper and fonts. Here you can choose local theme, local lock screen font, but you can also choose the wallpaper. Let's choose local wallpaper, and you can use here wallpaper from albums, so you can choose some picture, or you can just use wallpaper from the gallery of Vivo, for example the following one. Let me tap apply, and you can use it on your lock screen or maybe on your home screen, or if you would like to, you can set this wallpaper on both screens. In my case, let me use on my lock screen. So now after pressing power key, I should see my new wallpaper. That's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.